Once you've added your room, get the controller paired to the room so you can start zooming as soon as possible. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to use the pairing and activation code. Once you've installed the Zoom Room software on your computer and tablet and started the software, the computer will generate a pairing code for you to enter on the tablet. This will associate or pair the tablet to the Zoom Room computer. At this stage, you can test out the Zoom Room to make sure the audio and video is working correctly, but this is not a fully functional Zoom Room just yet. It still needs to be activated in order to access all features of a Zoom Room. From the Zoom web portal, navigate to Admin on the left menu. Click on Room Management and then click Zoom Rooms. Find the Zoom Room. In the list, you will see an activation code or a link to generate the activation code. Enter this activation code on the tablet controller to activate this Zoom Room, thereby making it fully functional. Once successfully activated, you should see the correct room name by pressing the settings icon from the tablet controller. Activating a room with an activation code is useful when you have a third party installing your Zoom Room. For example, they won't need any usernames and passwords, just that activation code. But what if you're the administrator and you're installing the rooms? You can also pair the controller and room by signing into the Zoom Room account from the controller tablet with the Zoom Room's admin username and password that you created to administer your Zoom Room. Upon successful login, you will then see a list of rooms from which you can choose. Find the room you added and select it. The tablet will then load the Zoom Room's interface and you are good to go. That's all there is to it. You can now use your Zoom Room to launch an instant meeting, join a meeting, or even just share content to the room displays.